The usual activity that has happened to me is when I went to Maracaibo, Venezuela, after the time when the border was threatening to be closed. I live in La Guajira. I went with my family. We stayed there for 3 days. We mixed walking through several tourist cities. As the deer and the man from the hotel told us that there were first and 3 weeks the border was going to be closing. We have to leave the next day and now to avoid being locked up in the Venezuela. We are leaving at Paraguachón at around 9 and from there we took and transporting our Riohacha, where we live at time. As after 3 days, Presidente Maduro closes the border for more than 3 months. It have no left early. We will have staying there. Thank you.